This is from the Greek mythology. Here, from the Greek mythology. Saturn and Charon. If the one who died is a bad person, Saturn will take to underground. To the east is Charon, who takes to heaven. So we see influence from the Greek mythology on the Nabateans. The capitals of the columns here are very similar like the Roman Corinthian. So we see Roman influence on their carving. Then above the capitals, we have one row of decoration, includes 7 cups, right?
Yeah.
Count the cups up there. 7. The 7 cups symbolize 7 days of the week. This pavement. Now I want you all to see this pavement inside the pavement and on both sides of the pavement. Look at the picture. Make sure that you see what is inside the pavement and on both sides. I'll come close to you. Look inside the pavement. What do you see? This is a big eagle.
There's none there.
Look at the picture here. You see? Big eagle. But you will have this also on your photo. When you get your photo, or the group photo, you will see the eagle inside. And on both sides, we have 2 clear pictures of lions. Look up on the facade, just remains. We can notice how big was the damage because of weather conditions, because sandstorm. The upper part starts with 30 roses. Look at the roses above the pavement, dividing the upper part from the lower. 30 roses symbolize what? 30 days of the month. Now 6 columns up and 6 columns down. Total is 12 months. 12 months. The upper part has 9 pictures. Can you see the 9 pictures? Let us see. 3 in the front, 2 in the back, and inside there are 4. This is the one to the east, there are to the west also. You see it in the picture. The ones inside are 4 Amazon dancers, and also the ones to the right and left. You see they are carrying swords, protecting. The one in the back, the 2 in the back, are angels with wings, you see? But the one in the middle is Isis, the Egyptian goddess. You will have your group photo and you'll see at the picture of David Roberts that the picture of Isis, the Egyptian goddess, is a lot more clear in David Roberts' picture than now. So eroded very much. Now what we need from these 2 pictures, now eroded, 170 years ago was a lot better. I close my eyes and imagine how it was 2000. Imagine that, it was amazing. Above Isis we have the disc of the sun holding a big capital, which is holding the urn. The urn is a burial symbol, but it was at the same time the reason why they call it the treasury. You know why? Because it's famous facade. People make stories about it. And the story says that there is a treasure hidden in this facade, in this urn. That's why they call it the treasury. To the right side and left side we have broken pavement, 2 parts holding 4 eagles. The eagles symbolize the strength. To the right and left side you see these holes. These holes originally were to fix a ladder, wood, to make a ladder, and between the 2 ladders will make a scale to do the details. Now, the question, why is this facade the best preserved, the most beautiful? You know why? Because it was carved inside. It was protected by mountains surrounding the area. So the biggest enemy for the sand facade is wind. Knocking the facade, small pieces of sand, it's protected. It's windy, it's dusty, doesn't affect this facade. So it's the best preserved facade. Petra, it's not a treasure. What is it? It's the tomb of Aretas IV, the king Aretas IV, who ruled from 9 BC till 40 AD, and after his death, there's a theory that he was considered a god, and his tomb was used as a temple. The cave inside is empty. There is a sacrifice place, and the channel goes to the top of the stairs. The top stair has a channel. So people going inside till 2005 eroded the stairs very much. So the United Nations decided no more people inside. 2005, excavated down people are gathering there. Under there found 3 smaller tombs, which could be for the wife of the king. This is all about the treasury. Thank you very, very much. So nice group. One unit, one family. We are not many families, we are one family. So, 2:30, we meet in the bus.